The top base plate is being attached to the H-beam using rivets. The riveters are doing the riveting work. Riveting is happening on both sides. The riveter is currently engaged in riveting work. The riveting process has been completed. The riveters are doing the riveting work. Riveting is happening on both sides. The riveter is currently engaged in riveting work. The riveting process has been completed. Friends, the top base plate you're looking at is after finishing the riveting. You are looking at the H-beam after completing the riveting. After the riveting work is done, you're witnessing the complete H-beam. Friends, the process you see here is grinding. The grinder is grinding, and you can see it up close. The plate you see is a guardrail plate. The grinder is grinding the guardrail plate correctly, and it's being ground on all four sides. Friends, all of you are looking at the beam from the top side for fitting the guardrail plate after completing the grinding. Friends, you are looking at the top side of the H-beam for fitting the guardrail plate. The grinder is grinding the area where the guardrail plate will be fitted. It's a guardrail plate that you are observing. The fitter is fitting the guardrail plate using a fitting gauge. The fitter is taking accurate measurements. The fitter is taking accurate measurements. And the fitter is checking for gaps on both sides of the guardrail plate. You're watching the fitting process from close view. Friends, the welder is attaching the tag, and the guardrail plate fitting is now complete. On the other side of the H-beam, the fitter is fitting it. And the fitter is checking for gaps on both sides of the guardrail plate. You're watching the fitting process from close view. And the fitter is checking for gaps on both sides of the guardrail plate. Friends, the welder is in the process of putting on the tag, as you can see. Friends, the welder is attaching the tag. And the guardrail plate fitting is now complete. The fitting of the stiffener plate between the top and bottom base plates is in progress. Friends, all of you are looking at H-beam from a side view. Now, friends, you are all observing the stiffener plate. The fitter is fitting stiffener plate using a fitting gauge. The fitter is checking the length between the stiffener plates. Fitter is measuring the distance between the stiffener plates. Friends, the welder is attaching the tag. Friends, the welder is attaching the tag. The fitter is carefully measuring the H-beam. Both sides have been fitted properly. Fitter is checking of the H-beam. Friends, the welder is attaching the tag. Friends, the welder is attaching the tag. Fitters are applying the same technique to fit the H-beam on the opposite side. Friends, the fitter is using a right angle check to verify the proper fitting of the stiffener plate. At this moment, we'll complete the fitting of stiffener plate between the top and bottom base plates. Friends, the welder is attaching the tag. The fitting on both sides has been completed.